Hi, I'm Christina Irvine. Today we are going to talk about maintenance and repairs and how those impact the sale of your home. Now think about yourself when you were purchasing a home. When you walked into a home and it was well maintained, it absolutely gave you the impression of pride of ownership and a home that was going to not give you some challenges when you moved in. There's nothing worse as a home buyer than walking into a home that you think is your new home and you're excited to start your new adventure in, and then feeling after you moved in and feeling like you just took on the seller's problem so that they can move on to something new and exciting. Even though your home may not be brand new and maybe wasn't even brand new to you when you bought it, it should feel brand new to this buyer, and that is absolutely going to impact the kind of offers you get on your home. Now keep in mind, when talking about pricing, it's all about supply and demand, and anything we can do to increase demand for your home is what's going to increase the amount of money in your pocket at the finish line. Making your home appealing to the largest amount of buyers is what is going to set you up for the most success. Walking through your home and making a checklist of all the things that maybe are foregone maintenance or things that have been taken care of and how we can log that to show the buyer that the home's been taken care of well and make it present well for showings is the first step to preparing for listing your home. Making sure your mechanicals have adequately been inspected and cleaned for each season, and having a log of those maintenance appointments. Repairing any chipped paint baseboards, dirty walls, even if it just means hitting it with a magic eraser to make it look nice and clean, especially if you have pets or children. Those small details are going to make a huge difference in the way your home presents to the new buyer. Any keys you have for locks, having those in a drawer labeled or on a counter labeled, so that the buyer can see that all the keys for all the locks exist. Now, while most buyers do change the locks when they move in, not all do, and even so, it can be incredibly frustrating as a buyer to move into the home and feel like you made a mistake and locked yourself out and you don't have a key to access the appropriate door. Make an inventory list of keys and garage door openers that you can leave out for the buyer for the showings. Having a list of any updates and repairs that have been made over the course of your time owning the home is another valuable way to show the buyer how much you have cared about this home. Make sure to check out our digital download checklist for home maintenance and repair items to check prior to listing your home. And of course, make sure to check out our next video on decluttering.